is Alisha Sam and welcome to South Connect. In this weekly episode, we gather all the important and interesting news from across the five southern states of India. Let's begin with Karnataka. The Karnataka-Maharashtra border dispute doesn't seem to simmer at all. Amid all this, a latest development in the dispute is that Karnataka Chief Minister Baswaraj Bommai on Saturday, that is December the 10th, met with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah and has thereby given details about the state's stand and facts about the same. He's also indicated that the state government is likely to convene an all-party meeting soon to discuss the issue. The Chief Minister's statement came following a delegation of parliamentarians of the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi opposition coalition in Maharashtra meeting Shah on Friday regarding the border dispute with Karnataka. In a statement following the meeting, Karnataka CM Bommai said, I have asked a delegation of our MPs to meet Amit Shah on Monday. I have also spoken to Shah. He said that he will send information in 2 or 3 days. He will be calling me and the Maharashtra Chief Minister. Most probably, that meeting will take place on December the 14th or 15th. Speaking to the reporters, the Chief Minister said he has already informed Shah about Karnataka's stand and facts regarding the dispute, along with the details. On Monday, our MPs will be sharing all the details, and soon as he, that is Shah, calls, I will go and retaliate Karnataka's stand before him, he added. The Chief Minister had last night said that the Maharashtra delegation meeting Shah on the border dispute will not make any difference and asserted that his government will not make any compromise on this issue. Noting that Maharashtra has tried this in the past too, he said, the case is in the Supreme Court. Our legitimate case is in the Supreme Court is strong. The border row had intensified earlier this week with vehicles from both sides being targeted, leaders from both states weighing in and pro-Kannada and Marathi activists being detained by police amid a tense atmosphere in the border district of Belgavi. In a news, the Karnataka government plans to set up an Innovation Experience Museum in Bengaluru, the factory campus of the new government electrical factory. The NGEF is a state-owned manufacturing unit that used to produce pump sets, transformers, motors, switchgear, power electronics, semiconductor devices and other mechanical engineering products till 2002. The museum is expected to come up on the 240-acre NGEF land in Baika Palhani. According to a report in The Hindu, Karnataka Chief Minister Baswaraj Bommai said on Thursday that upcoming Innovation Experience Museum is aimed to motivate the present and future generation by providing them with an insight into the lives of the people who transformed Bengaluru to what it is today. The Chief Minister, while inaugurating the Future Design Summit, said that there will be a theme park of international quality. He added that there will be also a learning center which displays description of various innovators and their achievement that contributed to the building Bengaluru. The Chief Minister mentioned that the museum will have a green cover and will be lucrative destination for tourists within the outside country. Bommai also added that in addition to the museum, his government plans on developing city centers in 8 locations of the city. Bommai said that every big city and even smaller towns have a city or town center, but Bengaluru does not have one. He added that since there is not a single large space to set up one, he had asked the various government departments to identify suitable land for the same. These city centers are expected to come up in the areas that have access to roads and trains, the Chief Minister said. Moving forward with Kerala. In search conducted by the Enforcement Directorate in premises of prominent jewellers have seized 5.058 kg gold worth Rs 2.51 crore. The raids were conducted on December the 7th. Malabar Jewellery, Malappuram, Fine Gold, Malappuram, Atlas Gold Supermarket Private Limited, Kozhikode and the residential premises of Abu Bakr Partida, Malappuram were searched by the probe agency under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. During the course of searches, a secret chamber for concealing gold jewellery was found on one of the premises, which resulted in the recovery and seizure of 5.058 kg of gold jewellery worth Rs 2.51 crore, along with 3.79 lakh cash. The ED lodged the case on the basis of an FIR registered by the National Investigation Agency, Kochi, under the Section 16, 17 and 18 of the Unlawful Activities Act. Consequent to the seizure of 30.245 kgs of smuggled gold by customs at Thiruvananthapuram International Airport, which was camouflaged as diplomatic baggage of UAE consulate in Thiruvananthapuram. Accused Sharit PS, Swapna Prabhu Suresh, and Sandeep Nair were arrested in 2020 by the Economic Intelligence Agency. A prosecution complaint was also filed in 2020 against the three. Further investigation revealed that M. Shivashankar, IAS, the then Principal Secretary to the Chief Minister of Kerala, was also allegedly involved in assisting the accused in gold smuggling and projection of proceeds of crime and untainted property. Hence, Shivashankar was also arrested by ED and he was arraigned as an additional accused. A supplementary prosecution complaint against the accused, including Shivashankar, was filed in 2020. During the course of an ongoing investigation relating to the seizure of smuggled golds by customs, it was learned that Rs 14.98 lakh was handed over by Sharit to his cousin Akhil S for keeping in safe custody. Further investigation into the matter are on. A bone-tickling yet a worrying news has emerged from Government Medical College in Kozhikode, where a plus 2 students appeared for class without the knowledge. The incident only came to light after college officials noted that a mismatch between the details in the attendance register and admission register on the fourth day. According to a report in the Hindu, the classes for first-year MBBS students began on November the 29th, and the students in question attended the class till December the 2nd. She has been absent since December the 3rd. The incident has raised question as the student in question was not even qualified to write NEET, the entrance exam for admission to medical courses, let alone gain admission to classes. However, college authorities said that the admission process was strict. Speaking to the Hindu, Vice President of the Government Medical College, KG Shajit Kumar, said that the students were permitted to enter the classroom only after them admits card were verified. He added that the admission process was foolproof and that the cards were verified at several stages before being checked by him personally. The vice principal mentioned that the second batch of students had extra classes at 8 a.m. and when the students showed up to the class late, the teacher let them in without checking their admit cards to save time. He further added that the issue would have come to light soon as the official ID cards were to be issued to the students in a week's time. In the meantime, Principal of the Government College Dr. E.V. Gopi has registered a complaint with Medical College Police accusing the student of impersonating a medical student in the college. The police have told the Hindu that they have begun the investigation for the matter. Moving forward with Tamil Nadu. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin visited cyclone-affected areas in Chennai yesterday and said the government would provide appropriate relief assistance to the people affected by heavy rains once the assessment of damage is done. He also said his government has provided that any disaster could be met if there was pre-planning. Talking to the reporters at Kasimedu, after inspecting the damages caused to the boats and accessories of fishermen, the Chief Minister said, as per the preliminary reports, 4 persons and 98 cattle have died due to heavy rains. 181 houses and hutments have been damaged. Other kinds of damages are being assessed. 9,130 persons from 3,169 families have been given shelter in 201 relief camps and they have been given food and medical facilities. In Chennai, around 400 trees have fallen due to the gusty winds. Of them, 150 trees have fallen on streetlights. As many as 25,000 workers are in the field for relief work. Corporation has used 900 pumps to evacuate water and of them only 300 are working now. Yesterday, Cyclone Mandaus crossed near Malappuram between 11:30 p.m. and 1:30 p.m. According to the weather forecast, few northern districts have also got rain. Chennai, Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur, Chengalpattu, Ranipet and Tiruvannamalai districts received heavy rains. Despite that, the precautionary steps taken by the government have avoided huge damages. People have been safeguarded due to the precautionary steps taken by the government and the untiring work of the government employees. There are no significant damages due to the cyclone. The fallen trees were removed immediately by Chennai Corporation workers to restore smooth traffic. Ministers, MPs, MLAs, mayors, duty mayors, councillors, employees and workers of the corporation, TNEB officials from police and fire and rescue departments and particularly the sanitary workers worked round the clock in cyclone-related works. In Chennai alone, 17 IAS officers are engaged in cyclone-related works and over 5,000 workers are also involved. I thank all of them as the Chief Minister of the state, Stalin said yesterday. The Supreme Court said on Thursday, December the 8th, that Notwithstanding the cruelty involved in Jallikattu, it cannot be termed a blood sport as nobody is using any weapon and the blood may only be an incidental thing. Now, Jallikattu is a bull taming sport played in Tamil Nadu as a part of Pongal harvest festival. A five-judge constitution bench headed by Justice K.M. Joseph said though cruelty may be involved in the sport, people do not take part in the event to kill the animal. Because there is death does not mean it is not a blood sport. I don't suggest that people who are going to participate and climb on the bulls are going to there be in order to extract blood in that event. People are not going to kill the animal. Blood may be incidental thing. The bench also comprising Justices Ajay Rastogi, Aniruddha Bose, Rishikesh Roy and C.T. Ravikumar observed. The top court, which Thursday reserved its verdict on the batch of pleas challenging the Tamil Nadu law allowing Jallikattu, made the remark in response to the submission of senior advocate Shyam Devan, appearing for some of the petitioners who insisted Jallikattu is a blood sport. Blood sport used to be a very common event across the world and it involves animal fight or contest and great degree of brutality and cruelty. Secondly, there is a scholastic material which appears to indicate that there are movements across the world which diminished cruelty from citizens' perspective. This combined with legal awareness and general reforms, Devan said. Devan submitted the term blood sport as used because it including killing or maiming innocent animals. Referring to a research paper on blood sport, Devan said media reports have documented that spectators are injured and even gored to death in and outside the arena of the bull taming sport. Blood sport is in generic sense meaning inflicting cruelty on the animal through beating. Now that can happen in different manners in different occasions, he said. The top court asked Devan in case it upholds the rules, what mechanism or scheme would he like to be put in place which would improve the condition. Devan replied that if the court decision goes against the petitioners, they will pursue it before a different forum. The apex court is hearing arguments on batch of petitions against the Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra laws allowing Jallikattu and bull cart races. The top court had, in its 2014 judgment, said bulls cannot be used as performing animals either for Jallikattu events or for bullock cart races and banned their use for these purposes across the country. The apex court is considering 5 questions referred to it by a 2-judge bench of the top court in February 2018. Referring the issue to the 5-judge bench, the apex court had said the petitions challenging the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Tamil Nadu Amendment Act 2017 need to be decided by a larger bench since those involve substantial questions related to the interpretation of the constitution. Moving forward with Andhra Pradesh. A day after Janasena party Pawan Kalyan unveiled a special vehicle for his campaign ahead of the 2024 assembly election in Andhra Pradesh, state government authorities have pointed out that the vehicle's color is in violation of the Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989. The vehicle, painted in an olive green color, resembles a military bus. As per Rule 121 of the Central Motor Vehicle Rules, no motor vehicle, including agriculture tractor and construction equipment vehicle, shall be painted in olive green color, except those belonging to the Defense Department. Commenting on Pawan Kalyan's campaign vehicle on Thursday, December 8, former State Minister and YSRCP MLA Perini Venkataramaya Nani said, I'm requesting Pawan Kalyan to step out of the world of cinema. He often claims to be a responsible citizen, but what is the use of such statement? His vehicle's color is in violation of the motor vehicle rules. The olive green color is to be used only for vehicles of the Indian Army. Additional Transport Commissioner Prasada Rao also said that, according to the motor vehicle rules, olive green color cannot be used for any vehicle apart from military or defense department. He also said that the vehicle will be inspected to see if the modification were made with the permission. We will have to check the chassis number to verify the permit is for a goods vehicle or for a passenger vehicle. If the vehicle is registered as passenger vehicle, such modification cannot be done. The manufacturer will have an approval based on specific build. If those specifications are altered, we will have to go check if he has gotten permission for it. Earlier on Wednesday, actor-politician Pawan Kalyan posted a video and a few photographs of the four-wheeler on Twitter. The vehicle, named Varahi, has been specially designed for Pawan Kalyan's election yatra, according to Janasena party. The vehicle is equipped with specialized lighting and sound systems for the electioning campaign tour. Moving forward with the last state, that is Telangana. YSR Congress Party General Secretary and Andhra Pradesh Government Advisor Sajjala Ramakrishnan Reddy on Thursday, December the 8th, sparked a roar with his comments that the party would support any opportunity for reunification of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. He told reporters that if the opportunity rises, the YSRCP would be at the forefront to support the idea of an united Andhra Pradesh. Sajjala was responding to a remark made by former MP Undavali Arun Kumar the previous day, criticizing the state government's stand in the Supreme Court with regard to a petition filed by him and several others, challenging the way Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated. Undavali said that the state government told the Supreme Court on November the 26th that it has not been objected to Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. According to the report in Hindu, he wondered if Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy was aware of the stand taken by the state government in the case and urged the government to join him in fighting the case. In response to Undavali's criticism, Sajjala stated that unlike the TDP, the BJP and the Congress, who supported bifurcation, the YSRCP has always supported united Andhra Pradesh and opposed bifurcation. He said that given an opportunity, YSRCP would be the first party to support reunification. The YSRCP leader said that the state government will put forward its argument in the case and pending in the Supreme Court, challenging the manner in which Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act was passed. Congress Legislature Party leader in Telangana, Mallu Bhatti Vikramakka, alleged that Sajjala's comments were part of a conspiracy to again whip up sentiments. People of Telangana wanted their own state and hence Congress Party created Telangana, he said. BJP Telangana President Bandi Sanjay also slammed Sajjala's remark. Marking the formal launch of TRS into national politics, Party Supremo and Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao unfurled the party flag of Bharat Rashtra Samiti in the wake of the Election Commission approving the name change of the TRS as BRS. Mr. Rao unfurled the BRS flag at the party headquarters in Hyderabad. Earlier, he had signed on the papers concerned about the name change of Telangana Rashtra Samiti as Bharat Rashtra Samiti. Former Karnataka Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy, popular actor Prakash Raj and several BRS leaders were present on the occasion. Mr. Rao, also known as KCR, received a communication from the Election Commission on Thursday approving the change of name of TRS as BRS. Seeking to expand its electoral footprint beyond Telangana, the TRS in October changed its name as PRS. Mr. Rao had formed the Telangana Rashtra Samiti in 2001 to fight for the formation of a separate state Telangana out of undivided Andhra Pradesh. That's all for South Connect today. For more South-related updates and political updates, keep watching our channel HW News. Whatever your views are, do let us know in the comment section below. Take care of yourselves. Thank you.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.